Alright guys, last time I didn't bring Mav, but this time I'm not missing out. Morning beautiful people, and what a perfect day it is here in Thredbo. Perfect day to go snowshoeing. So it's the last day of September, it's the first month of spring. I didn't actually realize a lot of the snow is actually melted now. Middle of winter, obviously all this area here is covered in snow, but it's actually quite a warm day, and you know, we've laid up pretty good. So it's 9 o'clock now. It's a little bit later than what we thought we were gonna start, but we were good to go. We bought our ski passes to get up this thing up the mountain, and we've got our snowshoes for today and poles. So I think it's about like 40 bucks to rent these each, plus the lift passes, plus other things. It was 160 bucks for both Alex and I. So not too bad for the full day for both of us. So shortly we'll be heading up this lift all the way to start our trek, and then we'll be going up to the top of Mt Koscuiszko. Are you ready for this, Alex?
I'm ready for this.
Oh, she's ready, going from zero to hero. So this time I'm going through the Thredbo way, which is that resort down there. The first time I went through Perisher, but the road from where I started last time is still closed, it's still snowed under. So this is the only way to go unless you want to walk like another 20 k's in addition to that trek. So we took a chairlift from Valley Terminal here, and then we went all the way up to Eagle's Nest. So this is where we are right now, and then now we're just going to take the back way all the way up to Mt Koscuiszko. So right now we're just a little bit under 1950 elevation. Kosciuszko is at 22,222 meters elevation. Let's go do it. You can't go backwards. You'll fall if you go backwards.
Oh really?
Yeah.
I think I learned that a second ago.
Oh my god. That is where Alex fell. Alright, time for a little break stop now. So we've been trekking for about an hour and a half, so we just got up like one of the first big hills and found this nice little rock lookout spot. Time to hydrate and maybe have a muffin. My favorite, I can't wait.
I know, I get so excited.
The best type of muffin. Who has apple cinnamon? We chose this over double choc chip muffins.
Because you're trying to be healthy.
Yeah,
right.
Very healthy, because I'm already sweet enough.
Say that again?
Or maybe I'm hungry. So we're a little bit, just less than halfway now. We're more than a third already. So I think, when we get up over this little mountain here, we'll probably be able to see Kosciuszko already. And I'm guessing it's probably another 3, maybe 2.5, less than 3 hours from here. So shouldn't be too long. All right guys, last time I didn't bring Mav, but this time I'm not missing out. Got Mav with me this time. It's time to take her up. Just a short little stroll after a little break. So we just spent 30 minutes walking through that field over there, and now we're just at this lookout. And we're actually pretty close, I didn't realize. Mt K is just over there, just on that hill. So close already. Probably take us maybe like an hour or so to get to the top, and then that's it. Definitely a lot easier than last time. This looks so totally different. Even look at Kosciuszko up there. So different to how it was before. Because of the snow, it's easy to walk across and then just go up the hill. Otherwise, you would not be able to do that. You'd have to go around the back and up the trail like I did last time. And that takes forever. So if you're also a keen skier and you don't want to go snowshoeing, you could actually, people are like taking the skis up here. So it's possible around this time of year. And then once you go down, it's going to be a sick ride all the way to the bottom. And we have made it! What do you think?
It is amazing. It was worth the steep climb.
Definitely worth it. Looks a lot better now than it did before, for sure. And that point over there is the absolute highest point where the photos are taken.
Hello!
Hello! Made it!
Welcome on top of Kosciuszko.
Yeah, top of Australia. Alright, topmost point of Australia. 2,222 meters. So different from last time, seriously. It was so windy before I couldn't even talk in this mic. And we have now made it to the highest point of Australia. Yeah! Beautiful day today, perfect weather for it. So tip guys, if you're doing this hike, bring some snacks with you. For us, we just brought a pack of muffins, some sandwiches, and yogurt. That's enough to do us for the way back. Don't forget to hydrate with the electrolytes. Bring a big bottle of Gatorade. Alright, so this is where we are in Kosciuszko, right in the middle there, and this is where we came from. Threadbow down there. And before I came all the way from Perisher Valley. Up here somewhere, so the longer trek that you go all the way around, it takes like 5 hours to get to this point, and then a short trek back down to Perisher. But here, at this point, is nice and easy. 8 kilometers, 29 floors, and 13,000 steps. Yeah.